Welcome this video. Pergola with clean roof, the perfect blend of shade and sun, sunlight. A pergola is a beautiful and functional add to any outdoor space. Often a balance between openness, but while traditional pergola are designed to last in fact sunlight, tranquil, open mean homeowner enthusiasts are now to add clean roof to those pergola stand to perfect hormones benefit sun's effort and shade. Often you are consider build a pergola with clean roof. This case while walk you through the benefit design type material and some key thing to keep in mid during construction. When choose clean roof or a pergola, add clean roof to a pergola enhance it functionally without compromising their open feel that make pergola so applying. Here are a few comparisons whether protested clean roof, French make or static protective the there belong for rain and hands-on. This allow you to enjoy your pergola year rule whether you read a book on the during afternoon or hot and sun barbecue. Natural lights, unlike open roof, clean fans allow sunlight and pass through